Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how do you add money in Alipay. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Alipay and then log into your account. So let me do that. So I'm just going to log into my account here. So log in. So once you have logged in here, so once you've logged in, so what are you going to do now here if you want to add money? So you simply go to the Me tab here on bottom right. So Me tab. Now once you get to your Me tab here, you will see the balance option here. So click on the balance option. All right, so here once you get to this balance option here, you will see two options here called withdraw and top up. So you're going to click on the top up. All right, so you just have to click on this top up option here. For me, my top up is grayed out because my account is not verified yet. So I just created this account for this video, so it's not verified yet. So if your account must be verified in order for you to make any transactions. So make sure so if your account is verified, then all you have to do is just hit on this top up option and then hit up the top up option and then select the card because how you want to deposit money from where. So just choose any card, your credit or debit card. Just choose that and then add in your card details and then add in the value that you wish to add and then complete the process, and that's it. Money will be added to your card. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. So hope this video is helpful to you all. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.